Ciao, I'm Giuliano, an Italian living in New York, but today I'm back in my hometown, Ravenna. I want to show you something truly special, la Basilica di Sant'Apollinare in Classe. Built in the 6th century, this church is one of the most beautiful and well-preserved examples of Byzantine architecture in Italy, and it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Classe was once an important Roman port, and this basilica stood just outside the city walls, welcoming travelers and pilgrims. In Italian we say, chi ha tempo non aspetti tempo. If you have time, don't waste it. So, let's go inside.
Okay, I'm now entering la Basilica di Sant'Apollinare in Classe. As you step inside, everything becomes quiet. You're surrounded by space, light and harmony. Beautiful. There are 3 naves, 3 navate, e questa è la navata centrale. In Italian, navata is feminine, la navata. On both sides, you see tall columns. Each colonna has a beautiful carved capitello, the capital, the top part. Some shows flowers, others have animals. This art is from 1500 years ago, still speaking to us today. At the end of the nave is l'abside, the apse. L'abside is semicircular and entirely covered in golden mosaics, the famous mosaici di Ravenna. These tiny tiles are called tessere. They are like a piece of puzzle that they create an image full of meaning. It's wonderful. And you see 12 pecore, 12 sheep, symbols of the apostles. In the center stands Sant'Apollinare, arm raised in prayer and surrounded by green hills and star. Sant'Apollinare was the first bishop of Ravenna. He is not shown with a throne or a crown. Instead, he is surrounded by natura, pace e luce, nature, peace and light. This is a linguaggio visivo. It's a visual language made of faith and beauty. Outside the basilica stands il campanile, the bell tower. It's tall, round and simple, a perfect example of architettura romanica, Romanesque architecture. Look at the windows, bifore and trifore. Le bifore, 2 arched windows, and trifore, 3 arched windows. This tower has been standing here for over 1,000 years, and it still tells a story in stone lights and silence. Visiting this basilica is like stepping back in time, and learning Italian through places like this makes everything more vivid and memorable. Italian idiom of the day, restare a bocca aperta, to be left speechless, literally to stay with your mouth open. That's exactly how you feel when you see these mosaics for the first time. Seguimi per altri viaggi tra lingua italiana e cultura italiana. Or as we say, alla prossima! Until next time.